In this lesson, I am talking about do while. Do while is an exit control loop statement. The body of the loop of do statement is compulsory executed for the first time. After executing once at the end of the loop, the test condition in the while statement is evaluated. If the condition through the body of the loop is executed again, and this process continues until the condition is true. When the condition becomes false, the loop running is terminated and the control goes out of the statement that appear after the while statement. Look at syntax. Do for the first time the controller will come inside the block and it will print the statement and the operation will happen whatever we write in the inside block. So for the second time it will at the end section it will check the condition. If the condition true, it will come again inside the block and the code will be executed. So if the condition become false, then the inside block will be terminated and the controller will come outside the block. Flowchart for the while loop statement. Do it will print statement for the first time, and then for the second time it will check condition and any increment or decrement or any operation will happen in the block, and again it will come to print the statement. So if the condition become false, then it will come outside the block. Example for the do while loop statement. Consider print number 1 to 10. Let's open editor. Class, for example, num. Let's say file first. Demo directory, name same as a class name, num.java. Declare variable integer num, assign value 1, do so print number, assigned value 1, so it will print 1. So then increment by 1, number plus plus, while number less than equal to 10. Let's save, open demo directory. Java C, num.java. We don't have any error, we got class file. So let's run. 1 to 10 number we got. So let's review the program. Integer variable we have, number assigned 1, so first it will print the value number 1, then it will increment by 1, it will be 2, then condition will check 2 is less than 10, condition is true, then again it will print number which is 2, and then increment by 1 it will be 3, and condition is true, 3 is less than 10, then again it will print 3, so on till condition false. So if we write here 0, so first it will print number 1, then it will increment by 1, the number will be 2, so 2 is less than equal to 0, the condition is false, then it will come out of loop, only 1 will print. Let's check, compile again and run, only 1 it will print. Or if we write here while number is less than equal to 0, so we don't have this for do while. So save, compile again, it will not print the number because it will check in the first, and then inside loop will come and the message will print. So the number is not 1 is not less than 0, so out of loop, the inside block controller will not go. Or if we write 10, it will work same as a do while. Let's compile. So in case we have loop through, it will be infinitive loop. If you write through here, so the condition will never false, then it will continuously print the number, so the loop will not terminate. So let's check, compile again, so it will never stop, it's infinitive loop, it's always true. So let's remove and write do, and while if we write through here, it will be again same infinitive loop. So let's compile again, java c num.java java num, which is also infinitive because it's always true, it will print inside block again and again. Thank you for watching this video.